Hello everyone, this is Akash Singh again, your science teacher, and today moving ahead with our topic fiber to fabric. That is our one of the most important and you can say easiest chapter of the science. So after uh, going through the previous three videos, today that is the fourth video, or you can say as day 11 according to your lesson plan. Today is the day of revision. Whatever we have gone the previous gone through the previous topics or videos, today we are going to revise them. So starting with history, we can see that the history of clothing was basically because of the need, okay, to protect the body from various harsh environment conditions, from various uh, physical toughness. The people then, or the men then, decided to protect their body with some of the substance, which can be natural materials such as animal skin, fur, glass, leaves or bones, and other thing also. But the proper science of all the clothing, of all the dressing design, dressing sense generated when there was discovery of uh, different plants which were giving fibers, or you can say clothing material. Okay, so that what we are going to study. Again, I am showing you domestication of silkworm produced silk around 3000 BC in China. Okay, so this is important. Evidence show that people started using animal skin for clothing around 30,000 years ago. Then coming towards fibers and fabric. So fiber is a hair-like strand from which all materials are made. Actually, fiber is the basic unit, elementary part, which is ultimately making up the complete fabric. So we have also discussed the various type of fabric, okay, and the material that you use for clothing is known as fabric. There are basically two types of fibers, natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Then yarn. Yarn is the spun thread that is made from fibers in order to produce a fabric. Fiber, yarn, and then fabric. Spinning, process of constructing yarn from fibers, in which fibers from a huge heap of cotton wool are taken out and twisted, which brings them together to form a yarn. The thing is that spinning is the process to make fabric from fibers. Okay, so you can say two processes. There are two ways using which yarn is converted to fabric, namely weaving and knitting. Two major ways using which yarn is converted to fabric, namely weaving and knitting, means fibers is getting converted to fabric by these two process. Okay, explained you. Weaving, the process of entwining two sets of yarn simultaneously to make fabric, means two sets of yarn are continuously making fiber. This is known as weaving. Understood? It's also known fibers, then yarn, then fabric, and these two are used for making fabric. Natural fiber and synthetic fiber. I told you there are two basic type of natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Okay, so you can see the examples here which are obtained from natural sources is natural fiber, and which is obtained from man-made sources or they are which are synthesized in laboratories are known as synthetic fiber. Cotton is one of the natural fiber, which is one of the most important part of this chapter, as well as for our dressing industry, also textile industry also. Cotton is one of the most important. Okay, then some of the cotton producing Indian state: Punjab, Gujarat, then ginning. It is a process of involved in the cotton production. Okay, ginning of cotton can be defined as the process of separating cotton fibers from cotton seeds. Means plant bear the cotton balls, okay, which have cotton seeds also, as well as cotton fiber. Cotton fibers means the white substance what we used to see. Then we have jute, one of the most important. Jute is basically used for making sack, bag, etc. Bangladesh is one of the largest producer of jute, and jute is plant fiber obtained from stem of the plant. You can see rotting is rotting of strip of plant in water to remove sticky substance and separate the fibers. The process of actual separation of fibers from the plant itself, and the fiber is jute. Then core, hemp, flax obtained from all the different types of plant only. Then this is the part of synthetic fiber. I have explained you about rayon. You can see the slide here. Then nylon, then polyester, then rayon, nylon, polyester, and acrylic. So these are various classifications, their column, their properties. Then advantage of synthetic fiber: very durable, cheap, elastic. I have mentioned in the points, you can memorize it. The disadvantage, the most important, is that they catch fire. As we used to hear these things in our house, that please do not go near fire or in the kitchen when you are wearing synthetic material. Other plant fiber, please go through it. Sisal, rami, hemp, these are the picture. So this is what I have to explain in this video, the revision of all the previous videos, and in the next video we will give you some assignments, test also, and a test paper, so that you can check yourself, analyze yourself how far you know. Till then, be safe, have a nice day, goodbye.